What's up YouTube, it's your boy Junior here, bring you another great video to the channel. If this is your first time here, guys, what we do on this channel, we do a lot of live gaming, a lot of product reviews, tech reviews. We even do setup reviews, setup review ratings. We do a lot of great stuff here and everything else in between as well. So if you like all that stuff and more, then stay tuned to the channel. And while you're at it, you might as well hit the subscribe button, enable bell notification, so you get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. Because trust me guys, you're not going to want to miss out. And also guys, you might as well go ahead and hit that like button, hit that share button, and leave a comment down below on all my videos, because that does help out the algorithm, help the channel grow more. And the more they know, the more they want people to see what we're doing on this channel. Because trust me, you're not going to want to miss out, like I keep saying, guys. All right, so today, if you guys remember my last video, I talked about the new Asus mouse that I got. I've been loving it. And one thing I did want to bring out, because they actually made me grab the mouse, since I have it right here. I've been using it. The one thing I did say that I didn't like the fact about this was the buttons is tight. But these buttons are actually mapped pretty well. I got used to it already. It's been really good. The only problem I have now with it today, it's a little too bulky. Remember I said I like it bulky? I guess how I sit down at my desk, I feel like I don't have enough grip on it. But I'm still getting used to it. So it's still good mouse. It flies really nice. Goes very smooth, everything, don't have any issues. But these buttons right here, guys, are awesome because of the fact is they control my windows. So if I want to open windows, I can open it from here. Like the start menu, yeah, it does that. I can lower and raise the volume control here. I can mute it. I could go back and forth on the pages. And I forget what the other two buttons were, but those are very key features that I really enjoyed about this mouse. And I just want to give you a quick update on it. I said I was going to do a whole video, but I didn't feel like doing it. But this mouse, it's an ultimate mouse. I'm so glad I got this mouse. And I'm glad you were able to see me unbox it. So I've been using it, and it's been working great. I'm going to go put this back now. So, like you remember that video I did on that mouse. I did say that I had to replace my keyboard. Why did I want to replace my keyboard? There's two reasons. I told you one last week. I told you that I do have a 100% keyboard from Razer. And the enter button on this one is not working. This one works fine, but this one doesn't work at all. So 100% with the numpad here. And, you know, it's a full keyboard. I like full keyboards. I don't like Tekken keyboard. I don't like the short 60% keyboards. I really don't prefer them. If you're a true gamer, then I can understand why you use those, because your fingers are closer, so it's easier to use. But I don't really use keyboard and mouse as often as people think I do. I use remote. I use my controller. I connect my PS5, so I don't really care. So that's one of the reasons why I want to get rid of this keyboard, because of this one. And the second reason is, which never worked in the beginning, never took the time to get it to work or actually get it repaired, is the USB dongle for this does not work. So I connect the USB dongle to my computer, and it does not want to work for anything. It reads it, it shows that it's on there, but it won't connect through the USB dongle. The only way this keyboard works is through the USB-C port that's right here. I have to connect it directly to the computer, which I have a wire running through the top of my desk because I want to charge the keyboard. But it's a pain because sometimes I want to take the keyboard off and then just sit back on my chair and just do what I got to do, browse the internet or whatever I got to do. And I can't do it with that. So I told you I was going to buy a new keyboard, but I only told you because of the enter button. But so I did buy a new keyboard. Again, this is another Asus product. Again, because I want to keep my peripherals all Asus, since that's what I'm rocking more of my setup. And I did get this Asus Claymore 2 100% keyboard. But it's either 100% or 80% keyboard. You're like, what are you talking about? Okay, so 80%, if you guys don't know, like I said, this is 100%. 80% is basically taking this part out, the nub cap out. It's only keeping this part here and the rest of the keyboard. 70% is this right here. 60% is just the keypad. No function buttons on the bottom. No extra buttons at all. It's just basic minimum. And there's people that like that. That's fine with them. That's it. But I got this 100% keyboard which converts to an 80% if I want to go 80% as well, which is freaking awesome in my opinion. And I'm gonna go. I haven't opened it. As you can see, it's still closed. It's still taped up. I haven't had a chance to open it, but I did want to open because I'm very anxious to hook it up back on my PC and enjoy it. So let's take a look at it. The reviews on these, I was pretty impressed with it. These have red switches on them. It's a fully mechanical keyboard. Oh, let me see if I have a blade. Nope, I don't have a blade. All right, so it's a full mechanical keyboard set. And it's different because I've never seen another keyboard like this that you could detach the numpad if you want. I know you could buy a 70% or 60% keyboard and put a numpad on there. Like you could buy a separate numpad. But this one actually clips onto the keyboard itself. So it's not separate. You can clip it off and on, okay? This tape is really, I'm just gonna, all right, so I'm gonna take this one off. Okay. All right, so I got it off here. Perfect, this tape is really bugging me. Now I gotta do this side. I know this is like the hard, sometimes I forget to grab my blade. Oh, this one came off easier. Put this to the side here. Gotta clean it up. So we're gonna open it up. As you see, as the ROG logo right there, the Asus logo. Pop it up. And this is how it comes right here, guys. Look at it. It tells you how it looks, the display, how it would look like this. I don't know why would they put this in here. But whatever, that's what they want to do. And this comes back in a nice little cover case right here. The little bag right here says Republicans of Gamers, which is pretty cool. And this is the 80% keyboard right here. All right. This is it right here, guys. Let me bring it up to you closely so you guys can see it. All right. It still has all the plastic on there, which is pretty cool. It looks very sleek. The casing is a metal casing, which is I like. All right. So let's take off the kit right here. Ooh, very nice, very nice. Put this down. As you can see, on the bottom right here, oh yeah, there you go. You have a USB-C plug right there, USB-A plug here. So if you want to connect a USB-A plug here, like a dongle or something, a thumb drive or something, you could hook it up here. Here's the on and off switch for the keyboard. And right here, it's a USB dongle, so you can hook it up with a 2.4 gigahertz thing right here. Or if you don't want to use it, you want to use it connected with wire, you're all set there. This is the 80%. Oh, let me take off the front one. The front plastic here, because I know people love the style of fashion of that. Look at that, look at that right there, look at that. Look at that. Oh, look how nice that thing is. Oh, that thing is beautiful. I actually, ooh. And so you can hear the keyboard itself. As you see, sounds really nice. This thing, it's very sleek. I like this. And I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. You see the rest switches there. Those are the rest switches, keycaps there. Pretty cool. And over here is where you hook up the numpad here. So let me go ahead and bring it up to the side here. And bring the other one out. So when you open that up more, you have the manual right here. This is a full manual. And then down here, you have all your cable accessories. The cable, right? This is the cable, the USB-C to USB-A cable. Very simple. You got the rest pad if you do guys want to use it, which I usually do. I'm gonna put that down on the floor. They give you two USB-A to USB-C adapters if you want to use it. Up to you. Which I'm not gonna use. I'm gonna keep it in the box. Anything else I need in here? He says, and then the numpads over here. All right. And then the numpads separate right here, guys. Look at it. Also in the ROG bag as well, this is really nicely packed. I'm really impressed with that. You guys go right there. The numpads right there. And this is the full numpad. Volume control here. You got some hotkeys here. You got the D1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm surprised. Oh yeah, they don't have the hotkeys on the side like normal. They put the hotkeys on top of here. And then the volume controls up here. It's a roll thing right here. That's the volume control. I'm pretty sure this is to mute it and to put the... No, I don't know. No, but that's pretty cool. So basically, all you gotta do, put it next to each other and you're all set. How this hooks up, I'm pretty sure just reads it, if I'm not mistaken. I do have the plastic here so you guys can see. Oh, take off. All right, I guess this is, I don't see no plug or anything that hooks up to it. Now oh, wait. I think this comes off on the side. Oh yeah, it does look like it comes off on the side. Oh, there you go. That's the connection right there. You see the little plugs right there? So I thought, for a second, I didn't think it connected. So I'm pretty sure there's a connection. Oh yeah, this one comes off. As you see, this one came off on the keyboard. Now I'm gonna do is take this thing, put it here, and slide it on. Now 100% keyboard right there, guys. Look at that. So if I want to go 80%, I just take that out, put it to the side, and just use it like this. But if I want to use a whole 100 like I normally do, put it back on there and slide it on, and there, it's done. And I think you could put it on this side if you like. Hold on. Yeah. So if you did like it on the other side for some reason, you have the thing. Oh, you have the slot on the other side too. If you want to go that route, that's up to you. But no, I'll keep it normal. And I'm gonna go ahead and start using it. So my final thoughts on this keyboard, like I said, the clicking on it is very nice. Not too loud like most mechanical keyboard. It has like a mixture. I think the cherry switches really make it sound really nice. I love the fact that if I did want the option to go ahead and take off the numpad, I could take it off and just start using it as an 80% keyboard. But this is very, very nice. It's built very well. I can feel it. It feels right. You know, like most keyboards, like when you buy a cheap keyboard, you know when you touch it, it feels so flimsy. You know it's cheaply made. But this is, I gotta say, this is one of the best keyboards that I felt and I liked a lot. I really, like I've always dealt with Corsair keyboards and Logitech. Never got an Asus one, and this is my first Asus one, and I'm really impressed with it. I'm pretty sure there's other keyboards that do the same thing, or maybe better. But the reason I picked this one is because it has the option for the 80% or 100% option. That's the main feature I liked about this. Because I personally like 100% keyboards because it's just workflow ready and it just works great. And it's wireless, so that's where I got this, guys. So I hope you like this unboxing, how this keyboard works. If you did, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. Show me all the love and support that you guys love to show the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that share button because sharing is caring. And we want to make sure that everybody's aware of everything we do on this channel so they're not missing out, just like you're not missing out. And if you got any questions, comments, or concerns, put them in the comment box down below and I'll get to you as soon as I can, when I can, as fast as I can. And guys, if you still haven't done so to the end of the video, guys, hit the subscribe button and enable bell notifications so you get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. Because trust me, guys, you're not going to want to miss out. And that's it for today, guys. Until next time, I'm out of here. Peace.